The Moto G35 5G India launch date is December 10th and will be available via Flipkart. Moto G35 includes a green, red, and black variants. The Moto G35 5G is expected to be priced under 10,000 rupees in India. Moto G35 features a tall 6.7-inch display with an FHD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 1000 nits of peak brightness. With Corning Gorilla Glass 3-layer and side-mounted fingerprint scanner, also an IP52 rating for water and dust resistance, and measures 7.79 mm in thickness. Moto G35 powered by the Unisoc T760 chipset with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, and support for up to 8GB extended RAM. On boot Android 14 OS out of the box. The Moto G35 will have a 50MP primary camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 16MP selfie shooter. Moto G35 pack a 5000 mAh battery and 20W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.